Hello, RV enthusiasts. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the 2024 Jayco Pinnacle 5th-Wheel Camper Series. I'm John Smith.
And I'm Ward Greenway from Camper Outdoor.
And today we're diving into the luxurious world of Jayco's flagship 5th-Wheel trailers. Jayco has set the bar high with the Pinnacle series, and the 2024 models bring exciting new updates, including a brand new floor plan, the 3.8 FBRK. Join us today in this review of all 7 floor plans, uncovering the unique features that make each one special. Don't forget to visit camperoutdoor.com for more information.
Before we dive into the magnificent Jayco Pinnacle series, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below. We like to hear from you.
Now let's start.
Yeah, let's talk about the numbers, John.
The 2024 Jayco Pinnacle series comes with a price range that starts at an enticing $122,568, making it an attractive option for those seeking luxury without breaking the bank. However, for those who desire top-of-the-line features, the cost can go up to $200,000 or more.
Speaking of features, let's highlight some of the standard luxury amenities you can expect across all 2024 Jayco Pinnacle floor plans, including an electric fireplace, king-size mattress, solid hardwood cabinet doors, and much more. Jayco truly sets a new standard of luxury in the recreational vehicle world.
The 2024 Pinnacle series boasts a bright and light interior design with options for both vintage and modern farmhouse styles. Inside, you'll find a range of luxury amenities, from an electric fireplace to a JBL entertainment system. Meanwhile, the exterior is equipped with features like an electric patio, awning with LED lights, frameless windows, and a universal docking center.
Now let's dive into the heart of our exploration, the 7 floor plans.
We have the 3.2 are LITS, 3.6 FBTS, 3.6 KPTS, 3.6 SAVUS, 3.7 MDQS, 3.8 FBRK, the new addition, and the 3.8 FLGS. Each floor plan offers a unique layout and features catering to different preferences and needs. Join us as we go through each one. But before we explore each floor plan, let's talk about the exterior. All models share a 102 inches width Magnum Truss XL6 roof system and an array of exterior features, including an outdoor kitchen option powered by the J-Port connection. The length ranges from 36 feet 4 inches to 44 feet 5 inches, offering a variety of sizes to suit your camping needs. All right, let's take a closer look at each floor plan.
Yeah, let's highlight the key distinctions in layout, sleeping capacity, and other features. There is a Pinnacle floor plan for everyone. The floor plans differ primarily in the placement of key living areas such as the master bedroom, additional bedrooms, kitchen, living room, and bathrooms.
Let's start with the 3.2 RLTS. This model places the master bedroom up front, followed by the bathroom, then the kitchen, and finally the living room in the rear. With a length of just 36 feet 4 inches, it's the shortest Pinnacle model, but don't let that fool you.
Absolutely inside. It's expansive with 3 slide outs. The kitchen boasts a microwave range and a spacious 21 cubic foot residential refrigerator. Plus, there's a double sink and a convenient pull-out spice rack.
And don't forget the entertainment features. 50 inches smart TV, an electric fireplace, and a Bluetooth controller for the exterior speakers. It even includes a trifold sleeper sofa and flip-up countertop storage, accommodating up to 5.
Now let's move on to the 3.6 FBTS. This floor plan positions the master bedroom with an in-suite bathroom up front, followed by the kitchen and half bath in the middle and the living room in the back.
Exactly. The kitchen is a highlight here, equipped with a microwave, refrigerator, double sinks, and a convenient flip-up counter extension. The living area features a 50 inches smart TV, an electric fireplace, a Bluetooth entertainment system, and unique theater seating. Next up is the 3.6 KPS, following a similar layout to the 3.2 RILTS. It places the master bedroom up front, followed by the bathroom, kitchen in the middle, and the living room in the rear.
In terms of amenities, this floor plan offers a microwave, range refrigerator, sink, flip-up counter extension, and a pull-out pantry. The living space is enhanced by a smart TV, electric fireplace, Bluetooth sound system, and abundant windows. Moving along to the 3.6 SSWS, it maintains the same layout as the 3.2 RLTS and 3.6 KPTS, with the master bedroom and bathroom up front, kitchen in the middle, and living space in the back.
Absolutely. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, and although it lacks some storage space, it compensates with flip-up countertop extension. The living area includes a smart TV, electric fireplace, trifold sleeper sofa, and a Bluetooth entertainment center. It's slightly shorter, but still packed with luxury. Now, let's explore the 3.7MDQS, the bunkhouse loft floor plan. It takes a different approach, placing the master bedroom and bathroom up front, followed by a loft above a guest bedroom in the middle with the kitchen and living room positioned in the rear.
And it's perfect for families, offering the highest sleeping capacity of up to 8 people among the 2024 Jayco Pinnacle 5th-Wheel line. This loft space provides versatile sleeping arrangements in a private setting. Onto the new 2024 floor plan, the 3.8FBRK. This layout positions the master bedroom with an en-suite bathroom up front, followed by the living space and half bath in the middle, and the kitchen at the back.
3 slides out. It's spacious and comfortable, offering extra sleeping capacity for guests. The unique L-shaped sofa connected with theater seats is a standout feature, along with a well-equipped kitchen featuring a microwave range, refrigerator, and large single sink.
This is your favorite, right, John?
Absolutely. Ward. It's hard to beat this one. Finally, we have the 3.8FLGS. This floor plan places the massive living space up front, followed by the kitchen, an optional half bath or pantry in the middle, with the master bedroom and ensuite bathroom situated in the rear area.
As the longest Pinnacle model at 44 feet 5 inches, it's perfect for large families or couples seeking extra living space. The expansive kitchen includes an air fryer microwave, range with a high-output burner, dishwasher, and solid surface counters. The unique kitchen sliding table is a remarkable feature of this floor plan.
And to top it off, folks, the 3.8FLGS isn't just a gem in design. It's also one of the biggest fifth-wheel campers on the current market.
But before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions. Is the Jayco Pinnacle a good fifth wheel?
Absolutely. The Jayco Pinnacle is widely regarded as a fantastic fifth wheel known for its luxurious features and upscale amenities.
Agree. How much customization is available?
When it comes to customization, while the Pinnacle line offers various floor plans and upgrade options, it may not be fully customizable in every detail.
What's the best floor plan?
As for the best floor plan, it truly depends on your preferences and needs. Families may love the spacious Jayco Pinnacle 3.7MDQS, while couples might find the unique features of the Jayco Pinnacle 3.8FBRK or 3.8FLGS ideal for their full-time living.
Right. For more information about finding the perfect fit for your camper lifestyle, visit camperoutdoor.com.
Finally, let's touch on pricing one more time. Here, we have Jayco's starting prices for each floor plan. As we conclude our exploration, we hope this detailed review has helped you understand the exceptional features of the 2024 Jayco Pinnacle 5th-Wheel Camper Series. Is there anything else we'd like to share with our audience?
Thanks so much for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Thank you, and until next time,